This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Within walking distance to Full Sail University. This is a large one-bedroom and unity condo in great condition. This unit is freshly painted, has ceramic tiled throughout and features a large living room and separate dining area. Living room contains vaulted ceilings and a wood-burning fireplace. This unit comes with its own washer and dryer and the water is included in the rent. This is an end unit, so this is lots of natural light and privacy. For more information, review the details below.